Oh, good. So, like, everyone's just got back from the, from that Bobby's bar or something. And look, this guy's drunk. He's pissed. He stinks of cigarettes.
Jordan. For those at home,
He's drunk. And he stinks.
What's this? You little bum. What did you lot do to Timothy? No, really, son.
He's drunk. Everyone's fucking pissed on me.
Oh, you're stupid, man.
But still, get in bed, you lazy bum.